Hello again. This is Roy with the Feeding Fatty podcast. We get asked a lot, what kind of foods can I eat on a low carb diet? So again, we are not medical professionals, and I do ask that you seek out a medical professional to talk this over before you make decisions on changing your diet drastically. So reach out to a family physician, registered dietitian, or nutritionist. Get their advice before you do anything drastic. But the basics with the low carb diet will be eating any kind of protein, which that's your chickens, your beefs, porks, fish, and of your fish, shrimp, salmon, lobster, halibut, sardines. Those are all good. Also eggs, avocados, any vegetable, fruits, yogurt, dairy products, and fats and oils. Because typically when you lower your carbs, you go up on the fat intake. So that's another reason to reach out to a medical professional, because you can actually overdo it on your proteins. Once you go past a certain point on your proteins, your body will begin to start breaking that down into glucose as well. So there has to be a delicate balance. We can't just cut all the carbs out of our diet. We do have to have carbs for energy. So there's a lot of things to consider. Another thing I would think about is getting an app that helps you with your micronutrients, and that way you can enter a food in and the quantity before you eat it to see exactly what the protein makeup, the carb, and it'll give you all the macro ingredients. And because that's another thing you want to watch, is that when you start tweaking your diet, you want to make sure that you're getting getting the micronutrients that you need as well. Because we get a little bit, we get certain nutrients from certain foods that we eat, so cutting that out, you're in danger. Again, this is where your family doctor, registered dietitian, or nutritionist can help you if you maybe have to take some supplements for replacement on that. But seek out some medical guidance before you make any major changes. Thank you for your time again. This is Roy with the Feeding Fatty podcast. Be sure and check us out at www.feedingfatty.com. We have a lot of good speakers, professionals from all kinds of disciplines, from the fitness to diet to wellness to mindset, just a whole bunch of great speakers. So go over and give us a listen. We'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks a lot.